In the world of men's grooming, precision, confidence, and consistency matter more than ever. Whether you're a professional barber perfecting fades from morning until night, or a man who simply appreciates a clean, sharp, and stylish look at home, the tools in your hands make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into a product that has taken the grooming industry by storm. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men, including the powerful Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set, model TMR001 and HCL001 bundle. This isn't just another clipper set. It's a full grooming experience built from the ground up with the help of real barbers around the world, tested in high-pressure barbershops and crafted to meet the demands of professionals and everyday users alike. With over 10,495 ratings, a strong 4.5 out of 5 stars, and more than 7,000 units purchased in the past month, this kit has proven itself as one of the most reliable cordless clipper sets available on the market. If you're tired of clippers that drag on thick hair, trimmers that lose sharpness after a few weeks, or rechargeable units that die halfway through a haircut, Novah is here to completely change the game. What makes this set stand out is not just its performance, but the thoughtful engineering that went into every inch of these tools, from the high-precision adjustable blades to the cross-edge Clippe, from the HD LED display to the 2-speed turbo motor, and from the 6 premium clipper guards to the 4 precision trimmer guards. Whether you're detailing, fading, outlining, or performing full-length cuts, this kit promises salon-grade results every time. And the design? A stunning matte black, all-metal unibody, giving you a premium feel the moment you pick it up. Lightweight, strong, ergonomic, and powerful, this bundle delivers performance that punches way above its price tag. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Novah Professional Hair Clipper Set. We'll explore the features, performance, build quality, accessories, user experience, pros and cons, and real-world feedback. Then we'll end with a detailed review summary and final conclusion to help you decide whether this grooming kit is right for you. So stay tuned as we explore one of the highest-rated men's grooming kits on the market today. Let's get started.